Well, a good Sunday morning, everybody. Meteorologist Robert Suhr with you here for another check of your forecast. If you think it's been dry so far this month, well, you'd be correct. We haven't had any rainfall, any measurable precipitation in Bowling Green. In fact, we're up to 21 straight days without measurable rainfall. The record is 32. We may take a run at this as we go through the next week or two. Even for our friends watching in Owensboro, you're at 19 days with your record being 43. And we are not expecting rainfall. Maybe Friday. That would put us up toward 27 or so. Like I said, we're going to take a run at that record. You know, precip this month, hot 0. Nothing. Diddly. Goose egg for the most part, which is one of the reasons why we are cutting into our surplus for the year a lot. This number continues to fall, and we may end up by the next couple of days actually being below average for the year for precipitation because we just haven't had any, and the signs are not looking very good. This week, slight chance for a shower 1 or 2 days, and then as we get into 6 to 10 days out, there's also very strong confidence here in below average precipitation as well for us in the tri-state. So like I said, we may take a run at that all-time record for consecutive dry days. So you're going to want to keep checking back with us for updates on that. No precipitation today, just more sunshine, very comfortable temperatures. I'm sure everybody loves getting outside, but we do need the rainfall. That will help to alleviate wildfire concerns, which will become more and more of a problem as we get drier and drier. By tonight, we're cooling down into the 50s and lower 40s by the time we head back to work on Monday morning, and then rebounding right back up into the 60s and lower 70s by the lunch hour on Monday. This nice, very quiet, tranquil stretch of weather is continuing. 74 today in Bowling Green. Much of the region mid-70s overall. That's 4 or 5 degrees above average for this time of the year. And you can see here, normal low is 46. Will be below average for our overnight lows. And nice and dry as we head into much of the week. We will have a front cross on Wednesday with maybe some clouds second half of the day. Right now it's looking like a dry frontal passage. Much cooler behind that front by 10 or so degrees before maybe a couple of showers on Friday.